Children, we are going to talk about that and those. That is used for singular noun. Those is used for plural noun. For example, that is a door. Those are doors. Yes, that is a pen. Those are. That is a pen.
Those are pens.
Those are pens. That is a pencil.
Those are pencils.
Pencils. That is a bag.
Those are bags.
Those are bags. That is a door.
Those are doors.
Those are doors. That is a bottle.
Those are bottles.
Those are bottles. That is a fan.
Those are fans.
Those are fans. That is a fruit.
Those are fruits.
That is a vegetable.
Those are vegetables.
Those are vegetables. That is a mango.
Those are mangoes.
Those are mangoes. That is a banana.
Those are bananas.
Yes, that is a dog.
Those are dogs.
Those are dogs. That is a doctor.
That is the doctors.
Those are
Those are doctors.
doctors. Right. That is a driver.
Those are drivers.
Those are drivers. That is a car.
Those are cars.
Those are cars. That is a bicycle.
That is the bicycles.
Those are
Those are bicycles.
Very good. That is a bus.
Those are bus.
Those are.
Buses.
Who said? Those are
Buses.
buses. Good. Those are buses. Classes. Buses. Don't make claps. I am telling you class, not claps. Classes. Buses. Brushes. That is a brush. One of you. Those are brushes. Yes, that is a class. Classes. Those are classes. That is a bush. Bushes. Those are bushes. Very good. Claps.